Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel All Baking and Cooking, that's ABC. So today we are going to make chicken Chinese chow mein. For that, first of all we need almost 300 grams and we'll cut them in strips. Once we are done with all these strips, we will prepare them for marination. So for marination, the chicken strips, all we need is 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We'll add it into the chicken strips. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After that, we'll add half teaspoon of salt, table salt, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and we are going to mix it well with the help of your hands or a wooden spoon. Then add half teaspoon of black pepper and again mix it. So leave it for marination like for half an hour. It's time to cut the vegetables. So first of all, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of fine chopped garlic and we'll keep aside. After that, take 100 to 150 grams of cabbage and cut it and put it aside. Then 100 grams of onion, which is roughly sliced. Don't cut the onion in very thin slices. And then again take 50 grams of capsicum and 100 gram of carrots, which are all cut in julienne. And spring onion will also be chopped, roughly chopped, not very thin. And these are all the vegetables which we're gonna add into the Chinese chow. I have taken a big pot and I have added water in it and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once it comes to boiling, then add 450 grams of spaghetti and let them cook for 6 to 10 minutes until they are tender. Check them out, don't overcook them, otherwise they will get sticky and you will not be successful at making Chinese chow mein. So after that, once they are boiled, I have drained all the hot water and now I'm draining the spaghetti into the cold water. Once we rinse the noodles very well with the cold water and add 3 tablespoons of oil or melted butter. Here is a point: if you want more tasty chow mein, then add melted butter spoon instead of oil and it will give different level of taste to your chow mein. Our chicken strips are marinated, so we are frying them. We are deep frying them actually on a medium hot oil in a large wok. And points to be noted here that don't overcook them. Once they are light golden, just take them out, otherwise they will get overdone and they will get hardened and will not taste good. And I have just added 1 tablespoon of oil and I'm gonna stir fry all the vegetables. So first of all, carrots, which are julienne cut, and I'm frying it. Again, I've put 1 tablespoon of oil and now I'm gonna stir fry the onions. After that, cabbage, just for 1 minute. Stir fry them on high flame and then take them out one by one and keep them aside. Now take 1/4 cup of oil in a big pot and just warm it up. When it's little warm, we will add chopped garlic into it and we will golden fry it. While keeping the flame low, I will add 1 pinch of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of Chinese salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, half teaspoon of crushed chili and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix them all while keeping the flame low and also add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now one by one we will add all the sauté vegetables like carrots, onions, cabbage, green chilies and spring onion. Here I want to mention that I have kept aside a little bit of spring onions for garnishing and I have not added them here. Now add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix it again and then add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Soy sauce, actually the taste comes with the soya sauce. And then add the noodles into the vegetables and sauces and mix them with a wooden spoon so that our spaghetti is not broken. And mix it well. It's hard to mix them, but keep on trying. And lastly, add the chicken and mix it. The fried chicken which we kept aside. You can also use a pair of tongs to mix them up, and finally cover the lid and simmer for 5 minutes on very low heat. After that, after simmering, our chicken Chinese noodles are all set to go. Enjoy them and keep coming back to our channel. That is all Baking and Cooking.